Hello everyone and welcome to Kaji's channel. So sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang basics ng Zero. So isang feature ng Zero ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, and kung interested ka, please keep on watching until the end. Do not skip para wala kang ma-miss na tips and tricks na i-share ko throughout the video. So without further ado, let's get started! Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, I'm Kaji, virtual assistant, executive assistant, bookkeeper, accountant. So kahit anong work, pinapasok ko, basta't online, kasi online work is amazing! Sa channel na to, dinidiscuss natin more on online work, tips and tricks, and mga success stories. So kung interested ka sa mga topics na yon, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell para wala kang ma-miss na video na ina-upload ni Kaji every single week. Okay, so para makakreate tayo ng Zero account, all you have to do is to go to Zero.com, and then meron tayong option to try Zero for free. So 30 days na po ito. So click mo lang yon, and then makikita mo dito na meron silang mga information na hinihingi. So ilagay lang natin yung information na hinihingi nila to get started. So kailangan nila ng first name, last name, email, phone, location, and then kailangan mo mag-agree sa terms nila. Okay? So let's say Kaji, and then last name, you have to enter your email address, and then phone number, and then yung location. So location is, for example, itong ginagawa mo sa client mo, so you have to select kung anong country yun. So let's say United States, and then I am not a robot. Pero kung sa to, pwede naman na Philippines yung piliin mo. And then agree ka sa terms and condition nila. Okay? And then, next is yung confirmation. Okay? Once na mag-click mo na yung confirmation, pumunta ka lang sa email mo, and then i-confirm natin kung ano yung email address nila. Okay? I-confirm lang natin yung email. So, usually, ang email na marireceive mo is ganito. So, we'd like to make sure you've got these emails right. So, yes, it's me. Let's get started. Pag clinic mo yan, madedirect ka na yan sa Zero page, and i-require ka nila na mag-enter ng information about the business. So, ito na yung next page na madedirect ka kapag clinic mo na yung kino-confirm mo yung email mo. So, they will ask you to provide your business information. So, kapag client mo naman yung kine-create mo, so this is your client business information. Okay, so you have to enter yung kanilang business name, industry, yung country, yung financial year end nila, and kung meron silang employees, and click mo lang tong I'm not a robot, and then let's try to do it. So, business name is Sergi Vlogs 1. Naglagyan ko lang ng 1 kasi meron akong existing account. And then, let's say education and training. So, country is magsasali ka lang. Let's say United States. And then, madedetect na ni Zero na ang reporting currency mo is USD. Okay, kapag Hong Kong naman, HKD. And then, kapag do you have employees? No. Or kung meron, yes. And then, I'm not a robot. And then, start trial. So, ngayon, created na yung inyong Zero account. Okay? So, Kaji, meron kasi akong existing Zero account before. Kailangan ko pa bang mag-create ng new Zero account in case na may i-add akong client or kailangan kong gumawa ng new company? Kung ikaw ay may existing Zero account na, you don't have to re-sign up. Ang gagawin mo lang is to mag-login ka po dun sa inyong Zero account, and then click mo to and add organization, change organization, add a new organization, and then ganun din. So, i-enter mo din yung information na kailangan nila. So, business name, industry, country, financial year end, kung may employees, click mo tong I am not a robot, and then start trial. So, same din yung process. Yun nga lang, hindi mo na gagawin yung first step na ginawa natin kanina, which is nag-provide ka ng personal information mo or ng client mo. So, that's how you create Zero account. And the next step naman is to update yung mga information na nasa loob ng inyong Xero account.
So sana marami kayong natutunan sa video na to. And if you want more videos like this, just let me know sa comment section and Kaji will try to create more videos for you. I'll see you again sa next video ko. Bye!